Welcome everyone. Good day, good day. Welcome to today's live stream. All right, so today we're at it again. We're looking to see if we're able to catch some profits today with the robot. So we're waiting patiently. We should be able to maybe find an entry anytime from now. So the EA is now looking for a setup. We're going to have to give it a few minutes or seconds so it can find a condition to enter a trade. We have about 20 seconds to 8:30. Let's see if we're able to catch an entry on this one. Price has already moved to the upside substantially. Let's see if price is been pulled down. Okay, we were able to catch an entry on that one. That's an entry to go short. Okay, so the price has now changed directions to the upside. Let's see if this continues to push up or if it goes back to the downside again. Okay, it's pushing back to the downside. A little bit of flip-flop going on. Let's see how this one plays out. Not getting any volatility right now in the market. It's pretty dead, pretty slow. We're still on the sell side. Okay, we're on the long side now. Price has changed directions. Remember guys, this EA was designed to be liquid. So you will see it flip-flop sometimes between buys and sells, and it will take on some small losses. But that is so it can find the direction that price intends to go. So in some cases, price may flip-flop in one area before choosing a direction. Now, you won't have to pick the direction because the EA will be able to catch the direction the price chooses to go in. It does not matter what direction the price decides to go, the EA will be right there tracking it. So all we're really looking for is price to move continuously in one direction. That's all we're looking for. Move continuously in one direction, at least long enough for the EA to be able to stay with that move. So price looks like it's coming down again. Let's see if it's going to flop around again. All right, we're short again. Is it going to continue coming down? Is it going to turn back to the upside? Is it going to just flop around in this area for a while? Let's see how it plays out. Let me try to show you guys. So far we've taken on 13,646 in drawdown. Once we get some volatility coming into the market, we should be able to make that up in a very short space of time. It should not require a big move to make up the losses. Price is now pushing down. Let's see if we're able to make up the losses and make some profits within this first 30 minutes. So far, so good. It's the 8:30 half hour, so it doesn't always have a lot of volatility in it. On days like CPI, it has a lot of volatility in that 8:30 half an hour. So some days you'll get to your profit really quickly, and other days it will take a little while. But this is not anything that you need to concern yourself with, because the EA will be doing this automatically. You won't need to intervene unless you want to, but it's not necessary. Over time, the EA will produce profits. Remember, guys, past performance is not indicative of future results. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I can only let you know, based on my experience and based on creating this EA, what can be expected from it. Price is now pushing back to the upside. And that does not really matter. All we're looking for is price to take on an extended direction, either extend to the upside or extend to the downside. It does not matter the direction that price chooses to take on. All we're waiting for is to get a nice big move within the 30 minutes. We're waiting patiently, just observing. Price action's pretty slow today. Price looks like it wants to go back to the upside. We will see. If it does that, we will take on yet another small loss in an effort to catch the direction that price really wants to go in. All right, let's be patient with it. Allow the price to do its thing. and it's pretty slow. There is no real volatility in the market. It looks like most of it has passed a little earlier, maybe from around 8 o'clock or so. Yep. So from around 8 o'clock, that's where the direction came in. So this is the corrective part of the market. Maybe this may be all of the correction and price continues moving to the upside, or maybe it continues correcting in this area before moving up. There's also the possibility of it reversing from this level. We will see which direction price chooses to take on. Okay, it's pulling back. All right, so it looks like it's ranging a bit. Price has not decided where it wants to go yet. My internet seems to be messing around, so if you're getting any interruptions, please bear with me. Price is coming down yet again. Got about 18 minutes left in this 30-minute segment. As a trader, we just need to exercise patience, guys. If you don't have patience as a trader, prepare yourself to fail. You need to have that discipline. Also, when you're trading automatically, if it's a 100% automatic EA, then I would advise that you don't really look at it every day. Just let it do what it has to do. I'm here with you guys because I'd like you guys to see live how this EA works. See the good days, see the bad days over a period of time. till we get to our journey. I'm going to do my best to be here with you guys until we get to our journey's destination, which is $1 million. We started at 1,000, had some bad days, some good days in between, and taken on some drawdown. Drawdown approximately 13 to 15%, which is average. From time to time, there's going to be a 13 to 15% drawdown, because every day is not going to be the type of days where the price is moving in one direction. We're going to have days like today when the price is just flat, and that would cause you to take on some drawdown. So we're just waiting patiently for price to decide on a direction. We still have about 15 minutes left in this 30-minute section. So let's see if price is able to take on a direction within that time, and we're able to make up our losses and maybe even make some profits. Right now, we're not in an environment for profit because price is just going sideways. Our drawdown is 1346. Relatively small. It's not going anywhere. Looks like we're going to be here for a while. No movement is coming in, no volatility. The price is just dead. Just coursing sideways. We can look to 930, see if we get more volatility at that time. Maybe we will, maybe we won't. We will see. Trickling down slowly. Getting a slight pullback. Not getting any volatility. Wondering if we will see any volatility before 9 a.m. Eastern Standard. This could be price pulling back to give us some volatility at 9:30 Eastern Standard. Well, around. Price is just teasing. Teasing to the upside, teasing to the downside. If you're with me, just give me an hello in the chat box. Price is up and down, just moving sideways. It's moving up again. Hello to anyone who's with me. Feel free to ask your questions. Drop your questions in the chat box. I would be more than happy to tell you what's going on here today. So price is pulling back against us yet again. And we have about maybe 8 minutes left in this 30-minute section.